and you are watching The King.
Thank you, Alan Hobbs. Now back to the video, you guys. What's up, you guys? Your boy The King, and we are back with another video today. So today I get to finally show you guys what the maze is coming to look like, and I'm super excited to share this with all of you guys. And here we go. So far we have the entryway, which clearly I'm still in the cleaning, organizing, and keeping everything efficiency. And then this room will be the prison room. So basically I'm gonna cover all of this in black and put a big tent or tarp, whatever you want to call it, over here to seal this entire open area. Not only that, but when you enter, you'll be coming from this way all the way in. You're gonna go in. I might be using these steel walls on the floor so people can step over them and have them stepping over weird texture and feeling. Not only that, but you will be experiencing someone in here in certain lightings. Also, in here is gonna be a pumpkin room, all glow in the dark, and someone's gonna be in there. Let me make my way around. Once you get past through here, you're gonna be in another room, which is, as you guys can tell, I brought it back. The clown room is once again here. Once you guys come in here, you will be rotated to this side, which I kind of made a slidable door this time, so at least it's gonna be kind of cool to slide left. So once you do, over here, move it to your left, and then the wall subs there. Then you're gonna enter here. Is gonna be a strobe room, so you're gonna be pretty much one light that corner, this corner, and this corner. And not only that, but you will have a smoke machine down there, causing it to basically make you feel disoriented or disorient. I can't even say the word, but you guys get the point. Then from there, you guys go into another room. Sorry, I'm like burping or something. You're gonna enter to another room, and there will be another slidable door here, so it slides that way, and you'll be entering to the occult room. So I basically was doing this a moment ago. I use pretty much just wall patch or like Westport Materials green dot topping joint compound. So I use that to make the satanic circle with the satanic star, which technically is an upside down version of it, and use some blue latex glove and put pretty much a really good amount on my hand and just smeared it down. And then I made this one look like claw marks, so pretty much I just put my hand there and just slide it down to give you that impression, like, oh, it's like claws or something, you know, ripping through the wall. All of this will be painted with black and red and a little bit of white to give it that illusion that pretty much it's something coming out that's demonic. You will be greeted by 6 people. There's gonna be one right here, one right there, one right there, one right here, one right here, and one right here. Then you gotta come out. Then you're gonna be greeted by someone who's gonna be standing right here, and he's gonna have another satanic star right above him, which is gonna be around this section once I have my tent up there, and you will be exiting through him. Other than that, this is the maze from 2020. If you guys have any suggestions or feedbacks, we'll be very, very grateful. So I'm gonna do a quick run through. We're gonna have an occult room, a white smoke strobe light room. We're gonna have a clown room. You're gonna see that I have my Spooky King logo right here, or basically I just drew it on there, even though it came out like crap. I have my new glow in the dark spider, free hugs, giggles, candy. Then it says this way. All this is gonna be illuminated with black light, which is right there. And then I'm gonna have another one on this corner to be shooting this way, and then one over there in this corner shooting this way. Well, this way to be exact. So yeah, we have once again slidable door. It slides back and forth. Pumpkin room, which I'll be installing more black lights tomorrow. There's gonna be one there and one here, and pretty much we're gonna put a little flicker light up there, and that flicker light is going to be turning on and off repeatedly, so it gives you that illusion like there's losing power. And we will be giving candies in pre-made goodie bags, so there's no no confusion in who's gonna get what. We're all getting the same thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this miniature tour, and see you guys to the next video.
Smash that like button and subscribe right now.